If you have $350,000 to spend on a house in Sherman right now, you have a choice to make. You can buy something that's already been lived in with somebody else's paint colors and somebody else's roof age. Or you can build brand new at Heritage Ranch on your own lot with your own choices for close to the same money. Most people don't even know that choice exists. I'm going to show you exactly what $350,000 gets you out there so you can decide for yourself. A couple of months ago, I had a couple move here from out of state. They'd already written off new construction completely. In their head, new meant expensive, and expensive meant way out of their budget. So they spent every weekend touring resale homes that needed a new roof, new HVAC system, new everything, and they got a little more discouraged every time. I finally told them, before you sign anything, let me take you out to Heritage Ranch. We walked the community together, looked at what was actually available at their price point, and by the end of that afternoon, their whole plan had changed. They weren't choosing between new and affordable anymore. They found out they could have both. No hidden repairs, waiting behind a wall, no guessing what the last owner didn't tell them. They closed a few weeks later, and every time I check in with them, they still tell me the same thing. They almost didn't look. Let's get into the real numbers because that's what actually matters here. At Heritage Ranch, $350,000 right now puts you in a 3 to 4 bedroom house, 2 bathrooms, around 18 to 2,200 square feet. That's not a stripped down starter home. You're looking at stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, completely upgraded kitchen as standard, not upgrades you have to fight for or pay extra to unlock. Highland Homes and K Hovnanian are building out there right now, and each one runs a different process, different floor plans, and a different price point, even within that same $350,000 range. The lot sizes out there run 40 to 50 feet, and where your lot sits inside the community matters too. Corner lots, lots backing up to green space, lots on a cul-de-sac, they all carry a different price and a different feel, even within the same floor plan. One builder might include a fenced yard standard while another charges for it. One might let you pick your own lot while another assigns you one based on where they're releasing next. That's worth walking through with someone who knows the difference, because the wrong builder for your situation can cost you months, not just money. I help people every day with real estate decisions. If you need help or have questions, feel free to shoot me a text or give me a call. Then there's the financing side. New construction opens up programs a lot of buyers don't know exist. Builders are often motivated to move inventory in a certain phase, which means incentives show up that you never see on a resale home. Rate buydowns that lower your payment for the first year or two, closing cost credits that put real money back in your pocket at the table. Sometimes even upgrade packages thrown in at no charge. The number on the sign is rarely the number you actually pay, and that's almost always better than the sign, not worse. I'm not going to stand here and tell you new construction is perfect, because it isn't. Build timelines slip. If you need to be in a house next month, new construction might not be your answer. If you're selling your current home to buy out there, timing gets even trickier. You're managing 2 clocks at once. You're also going to deal with an HOA. That's true almost anywhere with new development in this market, and it's worth knowing your monthly number before you fall in love with a floor plan. Builders also tend to limit your customization to a set list of options. You're not designing a custom home from scratch. You're picking from a menu, and if what you want isn't on that menu, you're either paying a premium for a change order or you're not getting it. Resale value on new construction can lag in the first couple of years, simply because you're competing with the builder still selling brand new inventory a few streets over. None of that should scare you off. It just means you go in with your eyes open, and that's exactly what I help with. Sherman is not the town it was 10 years ago, and it won't look like today's town in another 5. New construction communities like Heritage Ranch are a big part of why people are moving here from bigger cities, trading traffic and price tags for something that still feels like a real community. If you buy in now, you're not just getting a house. You're getting in early on a community that's still writing its first chapter. Whether you're relocating from out of state or you're already in Sherman and ready to move up, this is the kind of decision worth making with someone in your corner, not a website. A website can show you a floor plan. It can't tell you which lot floods a little in a hard rain, or which builder actually hits their move-in dates, or which phase is about to release better lots at the same price. That's the part I bring to this. If you want to see Heritage Ranch in person and actually walk through what $350,000 buys out there, call or text me. I'll set up a time to walk it with you and show you the current lots, the current builders, and the current pricing. No pressure, no sales pitch, just a straight answer on whether this is the right move for you. Bring your questions, bring your budget. I'll bring the rest. My number's on the screen. Reach out. And if you want to know more about what it's like living in Sherman, here are some videos I recommend. I love living in Sherman, and I think you will too.